It's a quiet kind of exhaustion, isn't it? Tailoring your resume for the 100th time. Writing a cover letter that you hope a machine will understand. Hitting submit and feeling your energy, your hope, vanish into a digital void. It can feel like you're sending messages in a bottle into a vast silent ocean. But what if you could stop shouting into the silence? What if you could instead become a beacon, so bright that opportunities begin to sail toward you? This is not a fantasy. This is the quiet job search. And today, we will walk through this calmer, more effective path, step by step. The traditional online application process is designed for efficiency, not for human potential. It reduces you to keywords. It's a system that often feels designed to exclude, not to find brilliant talent. Today, we leave that noise behind. We will explore 3 profound shifts. First, we will transform your online presence from a digital receipt into a silent signal. Then, we will master the art of the warm conversation. And finally, we will find your industry's watering holes, where real connections are made. This is about building a magnet, not wielding a megaphone. Let's begin with the foundation, your digital footprint. Most profiles say, "Hire me" or "Open to work." We need yours to whisper, "I am the solution you've been searching for." Let's start with a complete audit of your LinkedIn profile, not as a job seeker, but as a strategic partner. First, your headline. It is your most valuable real estate. It should not be just your job title. This is your value proposition. For example, let's change "Seeking opportunities in marketing" to "Marketing strategist, driving B2C growth with data-driven social campaigns." Do you feel the difference? One is a plea. The other is a statement of value. Next, your About section. This is not your life story. It is your narrative of solution. Start with a 1-sentence hook that encapsulates the problem you solve. Then, use bullet points to showcase your key achievements with metrics, not just responsibilities. Think in terms of increased, reduced, launched, managed. Use the keywords a hiring manager in your field would actually search for. And finally, your featured section. This is where you bring your portfolio to life. Even if you're not a designer, you can feature a link to a PDF case study, a presentation you're proud of, photos on a post of an industry event you attended, or a link to a project. This moves you from a list of claims to a portfolio of proof. Your profile should be so clear and value-focused that if a hiring manager lands on it, they should think, "This person gets it." Now, let's move to the most powerful, yet most underutilized, tool in the quiet job search, the art of the conversation. This is not networking. That word can feel transactional. This is about genuine connection. I call this the listening tour. Your goal is not to ask for a job. Your goal is to learn, to build a relationship, and to be remembered. Here is the exact framework. First, identify 5 people. These could be people who either have your dream job or who work at your target company or are leaders in your industry. Second, craft your message. This is crucial. It must be short, respectful, and focused on them. It goes something like this. "Hi Mark, I've been following your work at Basecook and was particularly impressed by" mention a specific project, article, or post they shared. Next, state your value. For example, "I'm a data analyst passionate about transforming raw data into actionable insights. I would be grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience. Would you be open to a brief 15-minute chat in the next week or 2? Did you notice what's missing? The words job and CV. You are asking for wisdom, not for employment. This removes the pressure and makes it incredibly easy for them to say yes. During the call, your primary job is to listen. Have a few thoughtful questions prepared. Ask about their career path, what skills are most valuable in their role, and what trends they see in the industry. At the end, you can ask, "Is there anyone else you think I should speak to?" This compounds your connections. Now I have a question for you. And this is the most important part of the video for you personally. Of these two methods we've covered so far, becoming a silent signal or starting a warm conversation, which one feels most daunting to you? Is it the fear of not knowing how to word your LinkedIn headline perfectly? Or is it the anxiety of reaching out to a stranger? Here is my offer. For the next 48 hours, I am personally offering a free LinkedIn health check to the first 10 people who comment below. Simply comment with the word health check and tell me which of the two methods you find more challenging. I will personally review your comment, and if you're among the first 10, I will send you a private message with a detailed, personalized review of your LinkedIn profile or a template for your outreach message. This is my gift to you to help you start your quiet job search with confidence. Please comment now. While you're commenting, let's explore the third method, which is about finding where your tribe gathers online. Every industry has its digital watering holes, the places where true practitioners gather to discuss ideas, share challenges, and help each other. Job posts here are often an afterthought. These are not massive, generic forums. They are focused spaces. For marketers, it might be the Marketing Solved Slack community or the Growth Hackers website. For developers, it's specific subreddits or GitHub discussions. For finance professionals, it might be a specialized LinkedIn group or a FinTwit community. Your strategy here is lurk, learn, then contribute. Spend the first week just reading. Understand the culture and the key voices. Then, start contributing value. This is not about self-promotion. It's about answering someone's technical question, sharing a helpful article with a key insight, or offering a different perspective on a problem. By consistently providing value, you build social capital. People learn to recognize your name and trust your expertise. When a hiring manager in that group mentions they're looking for someone, you are no longer a random applicant. You are that helpful person from the group, which is the strongest referral you can get. So, we leave the noisy, reactive job search behind. We shift from shouting in a crowded room to building a home for your expertise. We become a silent signal of value. We initiate warm conversations built on curiosity. We add value in our community, watering holes. This path requires patience and consistency. It is a slower, more intentional practice. But it builds genuine, lasting professional equity that 1,000 online applications can never replicate. It replaces the anxiety of the refresh button with the calm confidence of knowing you are building something real. Don't forget to comment health check below to get your free personalized review. Thank you for watching. If this approach resonates with you, subscribe to Brainy Money Makers. Let's continue building your career and your wealth with intention.